Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Josie and you're welcome. So for today's video, as you can already tell by the title, I'll be doing this crochet low cut hairstyle. It was so trendy on TikTok. I know I'm late to this trend, but it's better late than never. So here we are. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also give this video a thumbs up. So for starters, as we do for any crochet hairstyle, you first braid your hair into a cornrow. Also, make sure your cornrows are flat. You don't want your hairstyle coming out looking all humpy.
I'm the only nigga from the south side that's been outside on my downtime. She expected me to pull up. She expected me and my niggas to throw ones and throw the hood up. She gon' get everything I put up, but only if she do them tricks on me. Baby, I don't need no sleep. Fuck around and bring back the old me. Got me tripping, but this feeling is OD. Your body's controlling me. Damn. Praise to the most high, shawty on fire. I know he spent the most time on you. Yeah. She got on what God gave her. She belongs in my table. Baby, do me one favor. Can you make it do tricks like a skater? Can you make it do tricks for the...
I'll be using 1.5 pack of the darling Afro twist, the 20 inches. I'll go ahead and cut each strand into 2. And then with my white tooth comb, I'll go ahead and detangle or fluff it out. This way it looks more natural. Now we're ready to install. So taking out my crochet pin, I'll just go ahead and crochet it in, and I'll be single knots, and also make sure to crochet it closer to each other. Don't leave too much spaces between them.
Take this song back to the spot and make them play that shit tonight. They like Bizzle, where you been? We ain't seen you since the fight. Where's JPO? We saved your section to the right. Told her mama follow me and bring the ice. She got on what God gave her. She belongs in my table. Baby, do me one favor. Can you make it do tricks like a skater? Can you make it do tricks for the baby? I wanna see. Can you make it do tricks like a... I wanna see. Can you make it do tricks for the... Whatever it was in the beginning won't keep you from leaving in the end. So I'ma just live for every moment in time.
So here, since it's glueless, I decided to crochet the hairline this way. This gives you enough hair at the front section to work with. So what I did here is, instead of making a loop, I'll be pulling one side of the hair all the way through, and then crochet that section to make sure it's secured in. So if you want to try out this hairstyle but don't want to use any glue on your hair, then I would recommend you do it this way. This is the best way you can do it and have a natural hairline without any glue. I'll be doing this for the rest of the first section, and I'll be back to show you how it looks.
They say it's trouble, but I'm different with you. I can't compare no other women to you. It sounds like music when I listen to you.
At the tone, please record your message.
Listen, I done been away too long now. I gotta get back to my lover. 20-something nights in a row, I ain't felt nothing under my cover. I told baby girl that she gotta be strong, meanwhile
So I'm done crocheting the hairline, and as you can see, it's giving natural hairline already. Once that's done, I'll crochet the rest of the hair in, and then it's time to trim.
Just catch me a flight in the middle of the night, no luggage. I'm trying to get used to the distance, get you someone to trust in. You would've thought my name Timberlake the way I'm adjusting. But I'm on the way, I got plenty of time and something to say. It's been on my mind for a couple of days. I'm done with the games, you ain't nothing to play with. Without you, I've been going crazy. Here go my player's card, you could take it. So committed.
So now it's time to trim the hair, and I want mine very low, but I wouldn't be doing it all at once. I'll be doing it in layers to avoid messing it up. Actually, this is my first time having a haircut by myself, so I'm being careful. I don't really want to mess it up. Also, I'll be combing through to make sure I'm not cutting one side more than the other at a time. With the scissors, I was like a bit slow, so I decided to use clippers to make the process a bit faster. I was light-handed on the clippers too. You shouldn't be heavy, otherwise you just cut a bunch of hair off. So I'll continue to cut till I get to the point where I think I'm okay with the length.
Trying to follow the stars. The moon eclipsed my heart. Gravity's pulling me back to you. No one after you can make me move past the speed of light. Shawty board this aircraft with me tonight. No, we don't need to be touching the ground. Put a million miles between us and the clouds. Got you shook off the way the world looks from the ozone. Feel connected with the sun rays. You've been waiting so long. Now we too far gone.
So that's the length I'm going with. Now it's time to trim up the hairline. I'm not doing a more crepes hairline. I wanted something more natural and soft. I'll be using my clippers, but if you don't have clippers, then you can use the shaving stick, or better still, use the scissors.
You feel my love exploding all around. Faded on a rocket ship inside. Psychedelic trip might take us closer to space, but it's almost over, baby. Now you wanna see if my zodiac would ever hold me back from you.
So that's what we have here. There was no glue involved in this process. That's 100% glueless. I really love how it came out. That's a great alternative if you want short hair but don't want to cut your hair. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Also, if you have any question, any suggestion, they are all welcome. So if you've made that thus far, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I really want to get to 3K subs by the end of this month. Follow me on all my socials, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, lovelies.